for the opposition meeting. You check the last meeting that was called. It was called after the BAC. You check before that what was called. So I don't want to make any statements and complicate this. We have to fight the BJP. That is what is my agenda. It is for me to coordinate. And heja poile BAC Fadlan we have met. This is not the first time. It is absolutely the same. So I don't want to comment on this particular issue. And I don't want to give the BJP an advantage. I don't know what is others' personal agenda. My agenda is to make sure that I coordinate, and I don't want to fuel any other personal agenda. Very simple. We have to unite in the interest of the state. And if this particular of calling the thing after the BAC, you all check the records. So I don't know what is the other personal agenda. There is absolutely nothing. We are all colleagues. We have to coordinate, and we have met after the BAC. So where is the question of any other thing?
असेंब्लीच्या एक प्रथा अशी असता की जेन्ना असेंब्ली नोटिफाय जाता म्हणजे एक 15 दिसाचो पिरियड जेन्ना असता म्हणजे जेन्ना गॅझेटाचेर येता की असेंब्ली ह्या दिसांक जातली तेन्ना इमिजिएटली जॉयंट ऑपोजिशनाची मिटींग आपोवंक जाय ही प्रथा असता. हांव हाजे पयलीं प्रताप सिंग राणे, दिगंबर कामत आनी थोड्या टायमाक मायकल लोबोच्या अंडर ऑपोजिशन काम केलें. ही प्रथा ते फॉलो करताले. जेन्ना व्हडलें सेशन आसता चड करून मॉन्सून सेशन तेन्ना मिटींग अशी पयलीं प्रोसेस सुरवात जावचे पयलीं प्रश्न विचारपाचो जी प्रक्रिया आहा ती सुरवात जावचे पयलीं मिटींग आपोवंक जाय. आतां प्रोसेस सोंपलो, फाल्यां लास्ट दीस, ताजे मागीर मिटींग घेवन कितें जातलो. सो ती बिझनेस एडवायझरी मिटींग कमिटीची मिटींग जी स्पिकरान घेतिल्ली जी एक फॉर्मेलिटी कशी आशिल्ली, वावर काडप आशिल्लें, तशें म्हाका दिसता हो एक वावर काडप शें जातलें. हाजी इफेक्टिवनेस कितें जातलें, कसली स्ट्रॅटेजी आमी आतां करूंक शकतले प्रोसेस सोंपतकच म्हाका म्हजे मनान म्हजे तकलेन येना. ताजे खातीर ती मिटिंगेक ते वचप ना हांवें डिसायड करूंक ना. म्हणून आय एम स्टेटिंग फॅक्ट्स, and facts are based on a convention. Convention is that you call a meeting before the process begins, not after the process gets over. So I don't know how effective and what use will be of that meeting, other than it being a mere formality.